Luna loved her grandma's garden. It was a magical place where every flower seemed to have its own story. The garden was a kaleidoscope of colors, with flowers of every hue imaginable. Each visit to the garden felt like stepping into a fairy tale. It was a place of wonder. The garden was not just a collection of plants. It was a living, breathing world of its own. Birds chirped merrily, butterflies danced from flower to flower, and the gentle hum of bees filled the air. Sunflowers smiled at the sky, their golden faces following the sun's path. Roses perfumed the air with their sweet, intoxicating scent. Each flower had its own unique charm, and Luna loved them all. Luna loved helping Grandma in the garden. Together they would plant new flowers, water the plants, and pull out the weeds. It was their special time together, and Luna cherished every moment. It made her feel happy. Luna also loved mysteries. She had a curious mind and was always looking for clues and hidden secrets in the garden. She liked to find clues and solve puzzles. Whether it was a hidden path or a rare flower, Luna's sharp eyes never missed a detail. The garden was her favorite place to think. Surrounded by nature's beauty, Luna felt inspired and at peace. It was her sanctuary, a place where she could dream and imagine endless possibilities.
One sunny afternoon, Luna skipped into the garden. The sun was shining brightly, and the garden was alive with color and sound. Luna felt a sense of excitement as she entered her favorite place. Grandma was watering her prize-winning roses. These roses were the pride of the garden, and Grandma took great care in nurturing them. Luna grabbed a small watering can. She wanted to help. She knew how much the roses meant to Grandma and wanted to do her part in taking care of them.
Be careful, Luna. These roses are delicate. Grandma's voice was gentle but firm, reminding Luna of the importance of being cautious.
Luna nodded. She understood the responsibility and was determined to be careful. She knew how important the roses were to Grandma. They were not just flowers. They were a living connection to the past. They had belonged to Grandma's mother. These roses had been passed down through generations, each bloom carrying a piece of family history. Now, they were Grandma's treasure. She tended to them with love and care, just as her mother had before her. Luna would help her take care of them. Together, they would ensure that the roses continued to bloom, a symbol of their family's enduring love and legacy. Luna walked between rows of sunflowers. Their heads towered over her. She pretended she was in a jungle. Luna giggled. The garden was full of surprises. She carefully watered each plant.
Suddenly, Luna stopped. Something shimmered in the soil. It sparkled under the rose bushes.
What could it be?
Luna bent down for a closer look. The sparkles seemed to move. They were like tiny stars, twinkling in the sunlight. Curiosity filled Luna's heart. This was a mystery.
Luna gently pushed aside a rose branch, revealing a hidden path she had never noticed before. The garden was her favorite place to explore, full of secrets and wonders waiting to be discovered. The sparkling trail led to the base of an old oak tree, shimmering in the dappled sunlight. It seemed to beckon her forward, inviting her to uncover its secrets. The oak tree was Grandma's favorite, a majestic presence in the garden. Luna remembered the stories Grandma used to tell about the tree, tales of magic and mystery. She called it the wise old oak, saying it had seen many generations and held countless secrets within its ancient bark. Luna touched the rough bark of the tree, feeling the grooves and ridges under her fingertips. It was as if the tree was alive, whispering its stories to her. It felt warm under her hand, a comforting presence in the cool shade of the garden. She closed her eyes for a moment, imagining the tree's long history.
Then, Luna saw it. A tiny door. It was almost hidden, blending seamlessly with the tree's roots. It was hidden among the tree roots, as if it was a secret meant only for those who looked closely enough. The door was no bigger than her hand, perfectly crafted and intriguing. Luna's curiosity was piqued. It was painted a bright, sunny yellow, standing out against the earthy tones of the tree. The color seemed to radiate warmth and joy. A tiny brass knob gleamed in the sunlight, catching Luna's eye. It was polished and shiny, as if someone had taken great care of it. Luna's heart beat faster with excitement and anticipation. Could this be part of the mystery Grandma always talked about? Luna wondered. She felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. What could be behind the tiny door? She took a deep breath, ready to uncover the secrets that lay beyond. Luna carefully turned the tiny doorknob. It creaked open, revealing a winding staircase. She peeked inside. Warm light spilled out from within. Taking a deep breath, Luna stepped through the door. The world around her changed.
She found herself in a secret garden. It glowed with an inner light. Tiny winged creatures fluttered around her. They had rosy cheeks, sparkling wings, and wore clothes made of flower petals.
Welcome, Luna. We are the garden helpers.
Luna stared in wonder at the garden helpers. She had never seen anything like them before. They moved gracefully among the plants, their hands working with a delicate touch that seemed almost otherworldly. The way they interacted with the garden was mesmerizing, and Luna couldn't help but feel a sense of awe.
They are magical! Look at how they make everything grow so beautifully. It's like they have a special connection with the plants.
The garden helpers explained their important job. They told the children that their role was to nurture the garden, ensuring that every plant thrived. They shared stories of how they communicated with the plants, understanding their needs and desires.
We help the garden grow. We water the plants, make sure they get enough sunlight, and protect them from harm. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it when we see the garden flourish.
They whispered secrets to the seeds. The children were fascinated by this ritual. They learned that the whispers were words of encouragement, helping the seeds to grow strong and healthy.
We sing songs to the flowers. The songs are like lullabies, soothing the flowers and helping them to bloom. Each song is unique, tailored to the needs of the different plants.
They even chased away bad bugs. The garden helpers taught the children how to identify harmful insects and gently remove them without hurting the plants.
And sometimes we sprinkle a little magic dust. This dust is special, made from natural ingredients that give the plants an extra boost.
The garden helpers showed Luna how to make magical garden dust. They explained that it was a secret recipe passed down through generations. It was a secret recipe. The children were sworn to secrecy, promising not to reveal the ingredients to anyone outside the garden.
We use crushed flower petals, carefully selected from the most vibrant blooms in the garden, moonlight, which we collect during the full moon, and raindrops gathered during the first spring rain.
Luna sprinkled the dust on a wilted daisy. She followed the instructions carefully, making sure to use just the right amount.
Wow, look at that! The children gasped in amazement as the daisy began to change right before their eyes.
As if by magic, the daisy perked up. Its petals unfurled, revealing a vibrant, healthy bloom. It bloomed bigger and brighter than before. The children cheered, filled with a sense of wonder and accomplishment. They had witnessed the magic of the garden firsthand, and it was an experience they would never forget. After her adventure, Luna returned to Grandma. She told Grandma about the tiny door, the garden helpers, and the magical garden dust. Grandma smiled. She wasn't surprised at all.
My dear Luna, this garden holds many secrets. It's been in our family for generations. Each generation learns its magic.
Grandma explained that she, too, had met the garden helpers as a child. She had learned the secrets of the garden from them, just like Luna. Grandma held Luna's hand. Her eyes sparkled with love and a hint of mischief.
One day, Luna, you will be the protector of this garden.
Me?
Yes, you. You have a kind heart and a curious mind. You will be a wonderful protector.
Luna felt a surge of responsibility. She would make Grandma proud. She would protect the garden and its secrets. As Luna helped Grandma water the rest of the plants, she thought about the magic she had experienced. She realized the garden wasn't just about flowers and trees. It was about love, care, and the bond between generations. It was the love that Grandma poured into her garden that made it so special. It was the love that the garden helpers had for nature that helped everything grow. Luna smiled. She understood now. The real magic wasn't in the sparkling dust or the tiny door. The real magic was in her heart. It was the love she shared with her grandma and the wonder she felt for the natural world. Luna skipped through the garden, her heart overflowing with joy. She knew that she would always cherish the magic of the garden and the memories she made there. The garden was her special place, and she would protect it always.